Welcome to today's video. If you're buying or selling property, you've probably heard the term real estate contract. But what exactly does that mean, and why is it so important? Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, an investor, or just curious, today we'll break down everything you need to know about real estate contracts. Let's dive in. A real estate contract is a legally binding agreement between a buyer and a seller that outlines the terms and conditions of a property transaction. This document serves as the foundation for the sale or lease of real estate and ensures that both parties understand their obligations, rights, and expectations. Real estate contracts are crucial because they protect both parties involved. Without this document, there would be no legal framework to enforce the terms of the deal. It clearly defines everything from the price and payment structure to deadlines and contingencies. Having a written contract also provides legal protection if either party fails to meet their obligations. Now, let's take a look at the key elements commonly found in real estate contracts. First, the contract will clearly identify the parties involved, the buyer and the seller. Next, the purchase price is one of the most important aspects of the contract. Contingencies are conditions that must be met before the contract can be fully executed. The closing date is another key component. This is the date on which the property officially changes hands, and the sale is completed. An earnest money deposit is typically required to show the buyer's seriousness about the purchase. Finally, the signatures of both the buyer and the seller are required to execute the contract. There are several types of real estate contracts, each serving a different purpose. Let's go through some of the most common ones. Purchase agreement. This is the most common type, used when buying or selling property. Lease agreement, used when renting a property. It outlines the terms of the lease, such as rent, duration, and tenant responsibilities. Option agreement. This contract gives the buyer the option to purchase a property at a later date for a set price. Brokerage agreement. This contract formalizes the relationship between a real estate broker and their client, whether buying or selling property. In conclusion, a real estate contract is a vital part of any property transaction. It protects both buyers and sellers by outlining expectations and responsibilities. Whether you're buying, selling, or renting, understanding these contracts will ensure that you're making informed decisions and avoiding costly mistakes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate tips and guides.